No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to look at the service history and where the car has been. So stay tuned and we're going to look through all the paperwork that we got with the car and we'll see where it's been and what it's had done. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned guys. Right guys, let's have a look at the would you class this as a service manual handbook? Let's have a look. I'm doing it this way just in case there's any names and addresses or anything like that. So we've got Swinton insurance card. We've got a stamped envelope to DVLA Swansea. That'll be nice. I'll just shove the logbook in there, send it off. I do need to do that. We've got a what looks to be owner's handbook. All your instructions and things like that, but we know enough about these cars anyway, but it's nice to have. So that's that. We've got a service portfolio, some paperwork here. What does this say? Gov UK vehicle tax application complete. 6 months road tax for vehicle, valid from the 1st of June 2016. And back then, 6 months road tax was £162.25, which I'm not sure. I'll have to have a look, see how much it is these days, but I'm sure I'm paying about £365 for the year for my red ST, and also the Mondeo. It's daylight robbery, to be fair, because I mean, it's a whole new ball game here, but where did they spend it? All the potholes around these days, and that's something that does me head in. Well, we're not going to that. Right, so that's that. That's the receipt for that. This one is an owner's handbook audio system. So I'm guessing the radio code will be in there, which it is. That's nice to see. Essex Ford Stadium Way, Benfleet was the original selling dealer when it was new. I'll put that back in there. So let's have a look where it's been in its life. Service portfolio. So service records. We've got good service history here. It's been to R&B Ford engineers, specialists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamps from them. We've also got Essex Auto Group, Basildon, Essex, which looks like they're a main dealer. Looking at this, and also, we've got SCC Performance have done work on this in 2015. Service with genuine parts, and we've got a full service here, LP Autos, and we've also got Wings of Welwyn MOT and garage services. So pretty good history on this, to be fair. 07, 08, 09, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, jumped to 2017, and then 2018 it was last serviced. 81,000 miles, 953. So I don't think it'll have done much. They would have been the last ones to do it, and I don't think it's been on the road since then. So, well, that's 5 years ago, so we'll tell when we find out the mileage, what's on the clocks, when we get it all up and running. So that's the book pack gone through. Nearly dropped it then. That's the book pack, so let's have a look at the folder. See what we've got in here. Just make sure there's no addresses or anything on show. We've even got see how many there is, but we've got old tax discs. So in 2014 it was £154 for 6 months, and then 2015 it went on up to 156.75. Some old tax discs there. We've got like a Ford wallet behind it. That's the logbook, which I need to sort out. Take that with me and get it all sent off. Another tax disc here for 2013. So in 2013 it was £148.50 for 6 months road tax. Put that there with that. So let's have a look. So we've got Essex Auto Group. I'm guessing this was when it was first bought. A little bit tatty, it's come apart now, but we will keep it. We've got plenty of receipts for MOTs, Lee Motors, STS tyres. What's that for? Wheel balance. Got an MOT here. Receipt. Rectify exhaust blow on centre exhaust. Old gasket too large for joint. Fitted new gasket. Retest emissions. Manually adjust near side and offside headlamps. Replace indicator bulbs. And that was 10th of February 2017. R&B Engineers Limited. Using customers' parts. Oil filter, sump plug and seal. Full service carried out to manufacturer specifications. And that was... Where's the date on that? ...2014. Another one for RB Engineers, 2012. Spark plugs, oil filter, air filter, wiper blades, oil and fuel flush. Another one for RB Engineers. Oil filter, air filter, brake fluid renew, pollen filter, set of rear brake pads. 2011. 2010, another one. Oil filter, air filter, pollen filter, engine oil flush, set of front brake pads, brake fluid renew. That's 2010. 2009. Oil filter, air filter, oil and fuel flush, wiper blades, pollen filter. 2009. 2008. Oil filter, air filter. All Puma build. We've got a receipt here for a K&N panel filter. 2014 Puma build. That's a well-known one, isn't it? And then we've got Gov UK MOT history check. Vosper's Motor House. Are these a Ford dealers? In Devon. Oil filter. Pollen filter, spark plugs. Postage charge 2014. What's this we've got here? Customer advised brakes were not effective as when he first bought the car. Fit performance vented and grooved front and rear discs with Mintex pads all round. £362. In 2015. Report, customer advised that rear tyres are wearing on the inside edges. It's a common thing. Advised change tyres and have four-wheel alignment, which is what you should do. Advised offside front inner CV boot has a split causing grease to leak. Another common thing. And that was at CDS Autos, Vehicles and Servicing. We've got Euro Car Parts invoice here. I'm just going to move that out of the way because it's in my way. Bosch S4 car battery. So it had a new battery in 2015, and this is the receipt for it. £77.15 with a box of latex gloves. Another MOT here, 2015. Used vehicle order form. So this was purchased from Essex Auto Group in 2007. So this is the original receipt of buying the car. because obviously it's a 56 plate, so it'll be later 2000 and early 2007, late 56 plate. No, it can't be. That don't seem right. I'll have to have a look, see when the car was registered. But this seems really cheap, to be fair. So, no, I'm wrong. That's the registered date. So the car was registered 12th of January 2007, which is why it's a 56 plate. So this isn't the original bill of sale. So this says order date 9th of February 2013. So it would have been 6 years old. And it was purchased for £8,000. And he part exchanged a Vauxhall Astra. Well done, mate. Astra to a Focus. Did it the right way. Yeah, which he got £2,200 for, which left a balance of £5,800, which has been paid. Payment receipt. That was just a deposit that was paid. Pro tyre, alignment, front toe adjustment, alignment, rear toe. £80. Back in... It's got a different number plate on it. It's got a private number plate on it. What I'll do is, when I'm at home, I'll write all the private regs down, and we'll see if we can get in touch with any of the people that's previously owned this car. See if we can get any stories or any history on it, which would be nice. Obviously, if you're watching and you recognise this car without me saying the private regs, stick a comment. I'd love to hear from you if you've originally owned this car or knew the person who owned it or at some point or along the way. That was in 2015. Keith Motors, genuine Ford Focus ST and RS oil filter, £10.49. And that was in... No date on that. There's literally no date on it. 6 litres of genuine Ford Formula 5 W30 full synthetic motor oil. Same place. Keith Motors again. Trust first part. So this is a genuine Ford receipt for a plug at £8.36. Now, would that be a sump plug? I'm guessing so. Part number F1371764. If anybody wants to research it. I'll tell you what, I'll get my phone out and have a look now. See if that part number comes up. Might have superseded since then. So we've got F for Foxtrot 1371764. Don't really bring anything up. Nothing to do with Ford anyway. Let's put Ford F. Ford F 1371764. No. Doesn't bring anything up. Oh. Genuine Ford crankcase oil gasket. Ah, okay. That's it then. Well, that's that one solved, isn't it? Alright, to the next. Oh, here we go. What's this one? Timing belt water pump kit and a seal. 2016. So 7 years ago. I'm sure these are every 10 years. But Mark will confirm that for us when we take it down to have a look at it. But so it has been done in 2016. It's nice to know. Accessory belt 2016. Another Gov vehicle check. Your free 7-day introduction to Ford insurance. Some more previous MOTs. Issued 6th of February 2018. And it was at Wings of Welwyn. So they was the last person to service it as well. And that was in 2018, expired 12th of February 2019. So at this point, it would have gone off the road within this MOT, I do guess. Yes. 81,953 miles, according to that. The previous year's MOT, 2017 to 2018, no advisories. Mileage was it on then? 76,000. Previous MOT 16 to 17, 70,000 miles. Same place. And then a couple of different ones. 2015 to 2016, 67,000. Prior to that, it had done 59,000 in 2015, and 2013 to 2014 it had done 50,000 miles, and that's it. So we've got a nice wedge of paperwork, plus a spare key, plus some goodies, plus some old tax discs. That's the seal off the bonnet, that is. Somebody's been under the bonnet and they've knocked it. On a pre-facelift, they just slide in. And I know on the red one, they just come off so easy. It's to stop the wing getting under the bonnet, between the bonnet and the upper grille. So, yeah, we've been through the history. It's all quite good, isn't it? It's nice to get some history with a car. And we've also, guys, found a bag of money. So what I'll do is I'll take this home and I'll give it a count up, and I'll put in the video how much was here, because we can knock this off the price of the car. So that's going straight in my pocket. There's the logbook I've got. I can send that off, get everything sorted. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And our next video will be down at Auto Mods, basically giving the car a check over, trying to get it started, seeing if it starts, see if there's anything wrong with it. So exciting times ahead. I'll see you soon, guys.